morning everyone, it's Denise here. I am back and I want to try again for the heart. This is the one we did yesterday. The one that actually wasn't too bad. So I think how it's going like this at the edges. Almost looks like it's drying up. But we'll see. Let's see if we can get some hearts made today. I did them a little thinner. There's one. It's really slow. I'm gonna do that, just turn them over. Like that. Okay. So it's not too bad. I'm just gonna tap that inside. I hope it's not because I have my window open right now. Get the cool air in. So, because I want to do red. That's a thick one. It came out pretty good. Let's go back this way. So 2, 4, 6, that's 2 sets. So let's do this. I'm gonna move this over a little bit. 1. Figuring out how many picks I want to make. So that's 3 sets right there with the one that's already made. Let's see if we can get 3 more out of this. And 1 more. So that's 4 sets. 4 sets of picks. So what I think I'm going to do... Oh, look at that. I just wrecked that. So I'll just turn it upside down. I'm going to do two things of red. And then 2 of the white. Now... I wanted to see if I can make a... I think we'll start with that today. Now we're going to put the skews in. So they can dry. I think I'll put toothpicks in so that they can dry. And I'll get the glitter on. So you'll see what I'm going to do here. I'm not going to glue them in. It's just so that when you go put the glitter on, you can move it around. But they do look like little lollipops. So, this gave me an idea. Okay, so that goes with those. So then, those will be red. Two, 3. One, 2, 3. guess I could put one there. And then these two here. But I'm going to move this out of the way. Like, see which side I want to move it to. I'm going over here like this. And then we'll have this here. I'll have that there. So that. Okay, so now I need my glue. Tack glue. So the colors we're going to. Oh yeah, that's what I wanted to do. I want to do a mixed colored one. Set 2. So we're going to do red, white. That's the red and the white. And the tacky glue. But guys, I got this stuff yesterday. And I mixed them up. Right? So I'm thinking of using some of this. This one's got some of the gold and silver in it. So we'll see. Maybe we'll get fancy because this is the silver. This is the mixture, and then this one here is just silver. And then this is the gold that I got. This stuff I had already. Where's the rest of the gold? Did I mix it all? Must have. Okay, let's get this. I wonder if I should get a bigger brush. I think I will. There's stuff falling all over the place there. This one. See if this one works better. So all you're going to do is put glue on there. And tacky glue, right? And then you just spread it out. Actually, hold it like that one. Oh, I was going through the it's a little tricky. So we'll do this one on camera, and then I'm going to finish the red, and then I'll do the next color. I'll do one. I want to get this done before I have to go to the tire shop today. Okay, so now I'm going to do red, right? So basically all you're going to do is you're just going to shake it. I'm okay if the white kind of shows through. See, like the back, the white's showing through a little bit. I might bring this down a little closer for you guys to see. I don't know if that's better for you. Okay, next one. Get the glue on it. Okay, I'm going to pause it now. Actually, we'll do these two on camera, and then the rest I'll do one of each color. Right. Okay, let's see. I think I should have. Two toothpicks work, but I don't think I have them in far enough. Because they start poking through on the other side, right? You don't want that. Okay. Okay, so there's the other one. Oops. Okay, so now we're gonna let those guys dry, right? So I'm gonna move those aside. I'm gonna stick that in the water for now. Now we're gonna get rid of this into here. Okay. What I'll do is I'll do one of each next colors, and then I'll finish the rest on off camera. So this one will be white, and then hang on here. So this one will be white, and then the next color I'll do a goldy one, and then the next one and a silvery one. That way you guys will get to see what they're going to look like, and then I'll do the rest of them for the set. That looks pretty. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? That is so pretty. Okay. That's going to be different to do. Oh my god, you guys. Oh, this is going to look so cool. Wait till you see this. I gotta figure out a different way of doing it, though. Okay. But OMG, it would look really sharp if you had it instead of just plain white heart. Look at that. Look, it's more in the middle. I'd have to do that. Figure out how I can do a kind of like that. Dip it in. Just right now. Okay. That's what I have to do. Wow. That just blings it. That is so freaking cool. I love it. Love it, love it. Okay, next one is this, just the silver. This one, silver. Which is okay. But what I could do is I've got this that I could add to it, but no. I'll just do plain silver. Yeah, push the stick in a little bit further. Okay. I think I gotta put a little bit extra glue on it. So you guys will have to let me know in the comments which one you like better. I might make some more hearts and do green ones. So I got green glitter yesterday. I have lots of gold. Okay. Let's get this spread out. I have a hard time holding it. Okay. I want to try something different so that I don't lose all that stuff along. So let's try this. Let's do it to this guy. Let's see if that works. OMG. See, this way I can go like this. This might be an idea. But okay. There's the silver one. Guys, these are going to look sharp. They're going to look really good. Okay, so there they are. Right? Now I'm thinking these are sinking through. But I'm thinking with the lines, the stones and that, compared to just the glitter, the weight. So maybe these have to be dry. Maybe I'll wait next time. I'll let the hearts dry. And then I'll put the glitter and all that on there. Like I said, this is all new to me, and I'm learning as I go. But I just love these. But see, they're falling off in clumps. So I'm thinking that's why maybe I should let them dry before I, the hearts dry before I put the glitter on. But overall, those are the ones that are done. Yeah, and then You'll probably see them in a design later on.